Hello, everyone. In this video, we will demonstrate how to create and process the SKYVVA batch interface. This diagram illustrates the complete data flow of SKYVVA's batch processing mode, showing how external data moves from source systems into Salesforce through the SKYVVA integration framework. The process is divided into two main parts. Part 1, SKYVVA Agent. The external data sources send files and data through agents. The external data sources, such as FTP/SFTP servers, local folders, databases, queues, and other sources, send files or data to the SKYVVA agent. The agent receives, validates, and forwards this data into the SKYVVA platform for further processing. Part 2, SKYVVA basket creation and processing in Salesforce. 1. The data reaches Salesforce. SKYVVA creates working baskets in a staging area. These baskets hold and group inbound data based on configuration rules. 2. The baskets can then be processed manually or automatically via a scheduler. 3. After processing, SKYVVA commits the final records into Salesforce objects such as account or contact, either inserting new records or updating existing ones. Now, let's start. SKYVVA batch processing is managed and executed through the batch control board. On the Interface tab, if any interface is set to batch mode, it will be displayed like this. Now go to the Interface Detail page and find the Batch Settings section. Click Edit button. Before configuring batch interface processing, you must understand these key parameters. Batch mode. Check this flag if you want to run the interface in batch mode. Batch package size. You set in this field the size of the package for the batch basket. Note that this size is the number of records that will be inside the batch basket. It controls how many batch baskets will be created. Example, if there are 1,000 incoming records and the batch size is configured to 500, the system will divide them into two baskets. In this demo, we set it to 500 because we will push 1,000 records. And batch mode switching behavior supports two modes: dynamic switch based on record size and event processing based on record size. Both modes will be explained in detail in the next video. In this example, we select None. The record size to be switched field is used in combination when a value is selected in the batch mode switching behavior field. The field don't process the interface in parallel, works with the scheduler. When this field is switched to the right, enabled, the scheduler processes only one basket per execution. If it is not enabled, the scheduler processes baskets normally. In this demo, the field is not selected. Query limit for bulk processing. You can set the max size how many baskets are to be queried when the scheduler starts. Batch processing order. Ascending and descending filter baskets based on creation date and last modified date. Now we select the ascending. Then save the interface. Then go to Agent Control Board. In this demo, we use the agent file as example. However, the same inbound interface can also this feature with the other sources, such as the agent database or external systems. Now the inbound interface is already linked with the agent file adapter. Click checkbox on the interface and click Interface Processing button. Click Push button. The interface has been executed successfully. The system will create the basket in the batch control board. Go to the Integration Detail page. Click on Batch Control Board. Here is the baskets created. There are 1,000 records, which are split into 2 baskets. Each basket contains 500 records. The batch control board consists of several tabs. In the next video, we will go through each remaining tab in detail. Currently, we are on the Working Basket tab, where all unprocessed baskets are stored. Next, we will process the basket manually. Select the checkbox on the basket to begin processing. Click Process button. Then OK. After click Process, the status changes from init to worker, meaning the system is preparing. Now it is update to processing. After a basket finishes processing, complete, failed, pending, etc., it moves from the Working Basket screen to the History Basket screen. Once the basket is completed, click the Refresh button. The new basket will appear after it is processed. Navigate to the monitor to review the processed messages. Here are all the messages confirming that the basket processing was completed successfully. You can also see the icon that represents the basket message. And show the basket name of all message. And also basket type with batch. Then go to Message Detail. And click on Account to verify in Salesforce. The account and contact were successfully inserted into Salesforce. Return to the Working Basket tab. After all baskets have been processed, the Working Basket list will be empty. After processing the basket manually, we will now process it using the scheduler. Next, navigate to the Scheduler tab on Batch Control Board. You can start the scheduler from 3 places: Integration Schedulers, Interface Group Scheduler, or the Interface Scheduler. Now we choose Start on Interface. This interface has already created a basket, so we will start the scheduler on it. Set the scheduler time using one of the 2 options, every minute or run at. For this example, we will choose every minute and set the interval to 2 minutes. Then Save button. Click Start the scheduler. The batch process per interface started successfully. The next schedule run is set for 10:57, and once the time arrives, the scheduler will begin processing the basket automatically. We currently have a total of 16 baskets, and each basket contains 100 records. Here is the job next scheduled run. Here you can see that per execution processes only 5 jobs, and each job processes 1 basket containing 50 records. But here, each job contains 2 batches because each basket has 100 records. After the job is executed successfully, please check the message in the Monitor tab. Here are all the messages confirming that the basket processing was completed successfully. This account is modification. In summary, SKYVVA Batch Processing Interface Mode makes it easy to process multiple records by grouping them into baskets for batch processing. It improves performance, reduces API usage, and ensures stable processing for large data volumes. These baskets can be processed manually or via the scheduler, making the process efficient, reliable, and transparent for high-volume integration scenarios. Thanks you for watching. See you the next video.